working.
Oh, who are you talking to?
This is Zain. She is my partner.
Hi there, nice to meet you.
What are you guys been doing? You guys look so busy.
Oh, actually, we are designing fonts.
Huh? Fun?
Yes, font. A font editor is a class of application software specifically designed to create or modify font files. So, let's meet up.
Sure, why not? I'm also want to know more about it.
Come on, let's go guys.
To life and move ahead to your destination. Shine so bright, be the light of a new creation. If the world is a stage, better start the show. 7, 8, 9, 10, ready, set, let's go. Turn it on, turn it up. Are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day.
So, now we can discuss this topic further.
Yeah, that's true.
Well, we brought some friends.
Well, this is fine. So, what do you guys want to know first?
What makes typeface different from handwriting?
Calligraphy, letterings and logos.
The single biggest issue that makes type design different is the need for every glitch in the typeface to work with every other glitch.
This often means that the design and spacing of each part of the typeface end up being a series of careful compromise.
Therefore, in other words, we must think about the group and how it perform together and prioritize this over any question of what is wonderful in a single letter.
Yes, that's correct. Now, do you guys get the picture about the design font?
Okay, how about we talk about one of the main scientific characteristics in type design?
The most basic type is construction type. Construction refers to the structure of the underlying stroke, the form of particular glyph. Perhaps you can imagine the glyph skeleton.
For example, the white line inside the letters indicate the approximate construction suggested by the shape of the letters themselves.
Hey, look at this. Is this the type of construction?
This one is different. The way stroke ends and the serif are generally not part of what it means by construction.
Construction is the skeleton of the object, whereas wake, terminals are all parts of the flesh.
Oh, now I get it. What are other type of design?
Proportion of X height to cap height, ascender height, descender depth, and width.
There's more. Width regularity versus variability, weight, slant, contrast, and angle of contrast. Also, most fonts, however, have at least some degrees of contrast. In this case, you have a wide variety of options to choose from when it comes to how to distribute the weight in your font.
Yes, accurately. There's examples such as vertical, horizontal, bottom heavy, top heavy, irregular, stem.
Joints, bolts, terminals, speed, regularity, and florist.
What are tools that we use for designing font?
We basically use software for designing font such as Postscipt, FontForge, BitFontMaker, and Typelight.
BDFat bitmap, font editor, font constructor, and raster font editor.
I recently heard about Postscipt. What is Postscipt exactly?
Oh yeah, Postscript is an object-oriented language, meaning that it treats image, including fonts, as collection of geometrical objects rather than as bitmap.
This is the difference between Postscript type and bitmap type.
Oh, I clearly understand now. I learned so much today.
Yeah, me too. I guess that's all for today.
Hope we can meet again next time.
Yeah, bye guys.
Yes, point. A point editor is a class of application software
How about lunch?
Sounds great. Let's go.